Good morning. Still working on this GMC pickup. Got the cab corners and the rockers, both sides done. The roof, which had a little hail, is all straightened out. It's nice. This will be ready to get the windshield out. We'll do that edge and get that cleaned up. Sand all this primer, and that will be ready to paint. There's the doors. I edged those yesterday, did the insides of them. So they're ready, and what we're going to do today is a little block sanding on the box. And so it's over here in the booth. So we'll run over here and set this up for you. Alright, so here's the box. Did all the body work on each side. And the top rails were all a little beat up. Nothing big, but just lots of little dents in the top. So, and some other plastic work. So this has been blocked twice with 180. And I thought I'd show you the guide coat and a couple of things of how we do it. So we'll put a little guide coat on it. And there's a little guide coat so you can see what you're doing. And I'm going to hit it with this is an orbital instead of a file. And I got 320 on it. We blocked both sides twice with 180. So that gives you a little idea of how the orbital works. And then when you get that pretty close, you can go to a long board. And you stroke this thing for a while and you'll know what a workout is. So here we go. And what you do is go at a 45-degree angle both ways. Something like that. See, we got a little low spot right there. We'll see if that comes out with the primer. I like wearing gloves. Protects your hands, your fingers, and then plus you can help see if something's straight. It helps you feel. So, thought you'd like to see that. Have a nice day.